It's Benny's birthday today. She's opening her birthday gift. Happy birthday. Should we sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to Benny. Happy birthday to Benny. Happy birthday, dear Benny. Happy birthday to you. You're doing good, Ben. Get it open.
Yay, Bindi, hooray.
Open your gift.
Hooray.
Open your gift. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you.
Go. Go.
Combo, those are my socks.
No, these are not. These are mine.
Give me my socks. Combo.
No, these are not yours. These are
She found her
Tiny's.
milk boat.
And then these are mine.
Can I have my socks back?
No, these are not yours.
What's in your bag, Benny?
I do.
Can I wear those socks?
No, these will just break
Go,
it.
Bindi, go.
They'll
Get
break
in
the
there,
sock.
What's in there, Benny?
Combo, you're boo.
Can you help Will? Can you help Benny get her toy out? Can you help her? Good job.
Puppy. Puppy.
Good job.
Oh no, you gonna love that one.
Good job. What did she get, Will?
Puppy.
It's a pup. It's a monkey, isn't
She
it?
loves to